This resource is called Freckle. It was formerly known as Front Row Ed, and in the last 2 years it's been called Freckle. As you can see on the side, it's a tool that we can use for math, reading standards, social studies, as well as science. Right now you're looking at the teacher dashboard. I'm not going to go over my roster features because I want to maintain student privacy. But you can see under assignments, I'm able to send out different assignments based off of standards or skills. In math, I can add an assignment. You can see I have options between which subject I'd like to choose. And then they also have different kinds of assignment. I can do an inquiry-based lesson where it's over the course of multiple days. Students have a task all tied around one standard where they have to solve inquiry-based problems. I could send out a benchmark assessment, a targeted practice, something as simple as math fact fluency, or an adaptive practice based off of a single standard or domain. As you can see, I also have choices to send out assignments on reading, as well as social studies and science. I'm going to go ahead and view this under the student app. And when I log in under student, you can see how engaging this looks on their end. They're answering questions, and they also have digital tools that enhance their learning. They can draw on their screen as well as use drag and drop tools. It can even read to them for those students who are struggling readers. While it's loading, I'll go ahead and share with you the ISTE standard tied to this website. Under D.5.B, we are called to design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize deep learning. What's fantastic about this resource is even if I have not sent out an assignment, if I have a student log in under their first and last name and they have gone in and completed some pre-tests, then it will adapt the practice to them. What's most engaging about Freckle for our students is that as they complete different tasks, they earn coins, and when they earn a certain amount of coins, they're sent into a piggy store where they can redesign their avatar with clothes, they can change it to a different animal, and whoever designed it must have been a teacher because after 2 minutes in the piggy store, it does time out and students are brought back into their learning interface.